All right, when you think Mexican food, what do you think? You probably think tacos, burritos, fajitas, all those delicious things, but I bet you did not think of oatmeal. So savory oats have become a huge hit in our family. My kids absolutely love it. So do I. I'm a savory gal. So I whipped up another savory oatmeal recipe that I am going to share with you right now. Again, this recipe is super easy. I am all about making healthy living as simple as possible. So this literally takes less than 10 minutes, not including the prep time, but it's really easy to throw together. I'm just gonna use my Instant Pot. Wham bam, we'll be ready to eat. So as you saw, the actual oats part is super easy, just a couple of ingredients, and I put it on saute for 30 minutes, but it doesn't need to cook that long. So once you get it cooking, as soon as it comes to a boil, you're just gonna cook it for 3 minutes. And then we're gonna add all of our delicious spices.
Alrighty, let's go ahead and make this spice blend. I did 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 4 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, we're gonna prep our veggies. I'm doing about a cup of chopped mushrooms, then 2 stalks of celery, diced up. After that, we're gonna use a whole onion, diced up as well. After we chop up our onion, we are going to move on to our carrots. I did 2 big sized carrots, just chopped them right on up. And then after that, the last but not least, I am doing mixed baby bells. Feel free to use whatever size bell peppers you like. Dice them up nice and fine as well.
Those onions were so strong. I'm crying. Whew. All right, so now that the oats have been simmering for 3 minutes, we're going to add everything else, the chopped up veggies and the spices. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, look at that. It is done. We are going to add some toppings to create more of that authentic Mexican flavor. This is a game changer, y'all. Savory oats, Mexican style. Let's top it up. And bam! Look at that deliciousness. I cannot wait to dig in my favorite part, the taste test. Here we go. Try to get a little of all the goodness. That is amazing. So full of flavor. I love thinking outside the box. I love being able to make something that most people think of as a breakfast food and usually sweet, and turning it into something that you can eat all day long. Change up the flavors. Pick a country, you can make it that flavor. Get creative. It is so much fun and so tasty. You will not regret it. So that is it for this video. I'm gonna go get the kiddos and the husband fed, but you gotta let me know if you give this a try and what you think. And give me a country. Tell me a different style of savory oats to make, and I'll make a video on it. I will come up with an amazing, delicious recipe to share with you so that you can give it a try as well. So that is it. I think these savory oats are going to be a huge hit. We've done curried oats. Now we've done Mexican oats. What is going to be next? You let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time. As always, I hope you stay happy, stay healthy, and have a very blessed one. See you on the next video. Bye.